Augustus Doricko.
Pleasure.
Who are you? What do you do?
My name's Augustus Doricko. I run Rainmaker. We're the biggest cloud seeding company in the United States, and we're making more water for farms, ecosystem restoration, hydroelectric utilities, and ski resorts by flying drones into clouds that aren't naturally precipitating and then making them rain or snow more.
Uh-oh.
I'm Shane Cashman. If I were king, I would ban this because it's sky terrorism. But I'm happy you're here.
Dude, I would love to talk about terrorism.
I'm stoked to talk about it.
Yeah. I just look right at Shane. I'm like waiting for him to say that clouds don't exist.
I've been telling him about weather manipulation for years. Everyone laughs at me. I'm like, well, the face of big cloud is right here.
How do you reconcile cloud seeding with the fact that there's not even any clouds?
Well, there's clouds. He just keeps mutilating them.
Well, where are the clouds coming from?
Yeah.
Cultivating.
You're not cultivating. You're destroying God's beauty.
You ever heard of air soul invigoration of convection, bro?
Tell me about it, bro.
We make them bigger, the clouds.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You like small clouds.
I think we should leave it alone.
Do we get rid of the dams on the rivers?
Well, that's engineering. What you're doing is like Oppenheimer.
First of all,
you don't know what unintended consequences you're doing by interfering with nature.
Yeah, but Oppenheimer.
And you're a privatized war machine that was started in war, and now you're doing it under the guise of masquerading to help farmers. But in the future, I imagine you'll be creating fake rain for data centers that your friends in Silicon Valley will be building everywhere.
My friends, I just disavowed my friends in Silicon Valley.
Not enough. Not enough.
What do you need fake rain for data centers for?
Data centers soak up lots of water, right?
They kind of do, but they're mostly closed loop circuits, so they don't actually consume that.
Have you not said in interviews you're going to drop fake rain for data centers?
It's real rain, actually, but
it's fake.
It's fake rain from fake clouds.
It's silver iodide. They roll their eyes, but this is a very real issue.
We can get into toxicological thresholds, bro. If you want to do
You're just going to keep deflecting with big words. I'd like to keep it blue collar.
Okay. Safe. Big, fluffy, natural, safe. Mm-hmm. Beautiful rain, wet farms, wet data centers. So the specific question is...
you started saying words that no one understood.
The silver iodide stuff is all.
But it's not good. We don't know. There's two scientists that just testified 4 days ago before Congress saying they don't even understand what the buildup of silver iodide is going to do to the water and to the soil. And you can mention 80 years of data, but Fauci has 8 years of vaccines, and we know that's safe and effective.
Yeah, but hold on. I mean, what you're basically saying is because we can't study the long-term effects multi-decade, we shouldn't do anything?
We should not interfere with nature in the way I think cloud seeding is.
Well,
but real quick, he made a point about dams.
Right, that's working with...
That wiped out cities.
That's working, yeah, and I get it. That's working with nature. That like irrigation, building dams, that's like an engineering I can get behind. But what you're doing, I don't agree with because I believe, and I know your website says you're not playing God. I like that you have that in FAQs, but I think you are playing God.
Well...